Welcome on today's tutorial on how to change business account to personal account in Instagram. First, you will have to open your Instagram account. Then you click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And then in the top right corner of your screen, you see those three lines. Click on it. And then you click on Settings and Privacy. Then you see For Professionals, and under Professionals you see Business Tools and Controls. Click on it. And here you see Switch Account Type under Monetization Status. Here. Then you have the option to switch to personal account and switch to creator account. Now, in this case, we have a business account and we want to switch to a personal account. So we click on Switch to Personal Account. When you switch back to a personal account, in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all of your content, including your promotions, will be permanently removed. And if we have a verified subscription, that will also be cancelled for this account, but that's okay, so we switch to personal account. Then we go back to our profile, and as you see, we no longer have a business account. And that's it, that's how you change a business account to a personal account.